Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful hat with herringbone stitch. This hat is for an adult size. This super easy crochet project is perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I used one skein of Abbraccio from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And a 7mm hook. I use this from Prim. And of course one large pom-pom. Okay, first chain 16 to have a chain about 15 centimeters long. And now we're going to do the first herringbone stitch. So first yarn over and insert the hook into the third chain from hook. Then grab the yarn and pull it through. So now we have 3 loops on the hook. So all we have to do now is to take the first loop and pull it through the second loop. So now we have 2 loops on the hook. So yarn over, then pull through 1 loop. We have 2 loops on the hook, so yarn over and pull through these last 2 loops. And now repeat this in each chain down the row. So first a yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops. Now pull the first loop into the second loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the 1 loop, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And continue to do this until the end of this row. Okay, now we're ready to start a new row. To begin a new row, first chain 2 and this count as your first double crochet. Turn the work. Then we do another herringbone stitch as we did before into the next stitch. and continue to do this until the end of this row. So all we have to do now is to repeat this last row. So let's repeat together one more time. Remember, first chain 2 count as your first double crochet. Then turn the work. And now we do an herringbone stitch into the next stitch. Remember, the last stitch is the second chain. Okay, so all we have to do now is to repeat this last row for a total of 32 rows, or until we reach the length about 51 centimeters or 20 inches. Okay, now I've done a total of 32 rows and my rectangle is about 51 centimeters or 20 inches. I really love this stitch. This stitch is as easy as a double crochet. You are just pulling through the loops differently. So now we are ready to cut the yarn. Remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew. And then we fold our rectangle in half, then sew the two ends together using a tapestry needle. Join with a simple knot, then we turn the hat inside out. And now we are going to close the top of the hat using the rest of yarn. We just work some extra stitches backwards and forwards across the top of the hat until it is completely close up. And now we do a couple of knots, then I will weave the end after. So now we are going to create a nice finish using a single crochet. So grab the yarn, then insert the hook into the hat. Chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet all the way around. I suggest to place a marker into the first single crochet. Remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. So now I have 44 single crochets all the way around. And now we are going to do 4 rounds more, working in back loop only. So first chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet in back loop, so we insert the hook under the back loop only, not under both loops as usually. I suggest to place a marker into the first single crochet, then we continue to do 1 single crochet in back loop only all the way around. Remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. So now repeat this last round for a total of 4 rounds. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the hat using a tapestry needle. And now we are going to sew the 2 wooden buttons you can find with the yarn Abbraccio, so grab a simple thread and needle and sew them on the hat. And now, before proceeding with the pom-pom, weave the last ends inside the hat. And finally, we are ready to attach the pom-pom. The pom-pom has a kind of 2 strands that I will insert here. Then I will do a simple knot inside the hat. The abbraccio hat is now complete. The herringbone stitch is a very beautiful and easy stitch, so keep warm and cozy in this cute hat. I want to show you another color I've made before, and this is the same color of the pumpkins tutorial. You can find the link in the info box below. With the holidays on the way, they also make a thoughtful handmade gift to give to your friends and family. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your abbraccio hat. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!